Good morning from Prague. I arrived here last night, 18 hours of traveling, 3 flights later, I have arrived. So I was able to get a good night's sleep last night, and so today we're ready to go ahead and head out into the city and explore. So I'll take you guys along with me. This is the first city. So the plan is we are going to be visiting 4 countries in 10 days. Okay, I know that sounds like a lot, but that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start off in Prague, make our way to Vienna, Bratislava, and then end up in Budapest. So I'm super excited. I'm here by myself right now. I'll be joined by some other people tonight. And yeah, so let's go and get started. So we did this really nice tour. The company is called 100 Spires, and I'll put their link in the description below if you guys want to book. But excellent tour guide. Her name is Katerina, and we actually learned a lot. She had a lot of really good information. So yeah. That we just walked on. It's about 1,500 feet, I think 500 meters.
je zavedena náhradní doprava X9.
This is the Old Town Square. Alright guys, we have arrived in the Old Town Square. This is what it looks like. Beautiful. So the astronomical clock tower is located like right over there on the side of this church. And there's the central area, and that is the tin church right over there. I believe that Prague has the most preserved historical buildings. It's absolutely beautiful. Like, the architecture here is like mind-blowing, guys. Really beautiful.
Na koniec kogut jest tam na górze, prawda, pozłacenie.
The organizers said no, it has to be somebody who really lived and did something for our country. And also premiered some of his operas. Let me tell you what, when he was giving the opera to the okay, what about Martin Luther then? Yes, father of Reformation in Europe, that rings a bell. Martin Luther is the father, this one, our master in Daniel, is the grandfather of the Reformation. And the one who started writing, although it's kind of difficult one to read. I don't know if you tried to read something from Kafka. He wrote several novels, just 4 of the novels. Old Noise, so they, Old Night, they heard Old Noise, which is Old Noise. So they started to call it Old New Synagogue. And Czech people translated it, so we have our own Czech version of Old New. Smaller square that's attached to the Old Town Square, and we've seen the line. That's the library.
This is the Charles Bridge. This is the tower right here. So we're gonna go ahead and cross that in a bit. This is the bridge. food. We're here at Habelska Karuna. And here are the options. I think I might try that one. Alright guys, this is what I ordered. It's the goulash beef with some bread, and I ordered a Pilsner. So this is the first Czech beer of the trip. Let's see. It is refreshing. Cheers. Alright, let's try the food here. First Czech food. Czech. Czech. It's good, it's tasty. This goulash dish. It's like a tomato-based sauce with beef.
It's like covered.
Yeah, basically like a beef stew. That's pretty good. I did see they had rice. I think it'd probably be better for Asian taste buds. But it is quite interesting to eat with the bread. But overall, it's good. It's like a cinnamon roll donut or something.
170. I can't translate it right now.
170 krone. Did you get any flavors?
I'm basic. Listen,
I'm not
if
sure.
you notice, they're wearing the traditional attire.
Oh, they're wearing traditional attire. Donna got. That does not look basic.
It's bigger than my face.
Try it.
Just kidding.
Tell us what it tastes like.
I thought it was gonna be ice cream, but it looks like whipped cream.
I know, right?
So I'm a little disappointed already.
Expectations.
It's a custard.
How is it? Oh, it's custard and whipped cream?
Yeah, you can't have it.
I'm curious to know what the bread tastes like.
Actually-
Yeah, the filling, I don't know about that.
That was disappointing. I thought Vanilla Dream was vanilla ice.
What kind of custard is it?
You wanna try?
Yeah, I just hope my stomach doesn't give me a bad.
It's okay, you had charcoal
I'm
pills.
kind of scared. Oh my gosh.
You got the whipped cream, girl.
I cannot. Very can tell that my stomach will not like that.
Oh.
Milky.
Oh.
I am so melting right now. So we are on the hunt for boba. Bubble tea, and I think it's somewhere in this. Oh, this is cool. Nice. It looks like a shopping area. Center. I've not seen it yet. Hey guys, so we came to this coffee shop right next door to where we're staying at our Airbnb called the Miners Cafe. I just want to show you guys around. It's a really cute coffee shop. So it has all these chairs. There and then it has indoor seating here, but what I like is the outdoor space here.
Get some rest, man. Good to see you. Good to hear from you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Take care.
Have a good night.
Bye.
Mediterranean breakfast with confit tomatoes, iced latte.